What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at some of the accessories for our DJ facades. Now the facades that we have are the RFAAW and the RFAAB, which are black and white facades. Let's take a look at the accessories right now. So the first accessories I want to show you guys are the replacement scrims. They come in two different colors of white and black. The scrims come in packs of 4, which make them perfect for changing out on your existing DJ facade. Also, they're machine or hand washable and very easy to clean. They're flame retardant, they're tear resistant, and they're very flexible and easy to attach to your facade with the Velcro edges. All right, let's take a look at the next accessory. So what this is a 2-panel extender or a replacement for your DJ facade. What that means is you can actually add 2 panels to your existing 4-panel facade and make it a 6-panel facade. They come in 2 colors, black and white. Let me show you how to set it up. All right, so we have the 2 white scrims, short posts, and these are the long posts. So I just want to point out while we're doing this, you can see that each side of a post has a Velcro strip. So that's going to be the inward side of the facade. So make sure that when you are setting up your facade, they're all facing the same direction. Also included with your kit is the very important tool that you need to assemble all of this. So there are 2 of these washer type connectors, and then there is an Allen key that also has a Phillips head screwdriver on one side. So the first thing, you want to start with the center beam. So you know it's the center beam because it's the vertical posts that are connected at the top and at the bottom. They're already one piece. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the Velcro is facing the same way on both sides. Push, you're gonna have to apply pressure, don't be scared. And then you're going to twist this center beam here, take your Phillips tool, put it inside the hole to the beam that you just connected, and you want to screw it tight. So remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. There we go, it's nice and tight on, it's not coming off. So we have the top done, let's do the bottom. So I take another horizontal piece. I'm going to flip the facade around just to make it a little easier for myself. Remember, we line up the Velcro, push it on, Phillips screw, Phillips screwdriver. So now we have 3 parts of the 4 that make up one panel. So let's grab one of the end pieces. So just remember that this post has 2 connection points, one at the top and one at the bottom here. So we go one in here. Now before I screw this one in, I want to make sure I get the bottom in. Push, push, push. Now I can begin to screw. There's a hole here and a hole at the bottom. Then I'm going to flip it over to the bottom. Same thing, righty-tighty. All right, perfect. So we have one of the panels complete for the 2-panel extension. Let me go ahead and set up the other side. I'm going to do this a little quicker because it's basically the same exact thing as this side. So we got the 2-panel set up, now it's time to attach the scrims. So I have one of the scrims here. So the best way to attach it is to first attach it to the top, stretch it out to the bottom, and then smooth it out on the sides. You want to really stretch it out, you don't want any slack. Now we want to take the bottom half and stretch it all the way. Same thing, we don't want any slack. Nice, nice, nice. So you just pull it, line it up, go inch by inch if you have to. Remember, you don't want any slack showing, and you don't want the Velcro showing on the other side. So pull it as flush as possible. And now the last side is usually the hardest because it jumps around. Pull, pull, pull. Let's go ahead and do the other scrim. And there we go, we have the 2 panels that are ready to be attached to our original facade to extend it by 2 panels. All right, I'm going to show you how to connect the 4-panel to the 2-panel extender now. So you can see they are apart right now. The way that I connect it is right here at the top and using this double washer piece. The first thing I need to do is take my Phillips head tool and unscrew the top pieces here. So I'm going to do that now. After I take off that plastic piece and the screw, it's time to take off this side. So all I do is unscrew it. The key here is to connect the gears over here and then place this double washer over top. This is basically what is going to be the bridge between these 2 sides. Then you want to take the screw and the plastic piece and just line it up. So I lined it up on one side, and then I line it up on the second side. So there we go, we're nice and secure in. Last thing to do is just screw it into place. So righty-tatty, righty-tatty, boom, that side's in on this side. All right, we are all connected. It's the same exact process on the bottom, so just go ahead and do that. I'm going to skip that part and show you what the final product looks like. So just like that, you can see how easy it is to set up the 2-panel extender to make it a 6-panel facade. You can even take it a step further, get another 2-panel extender and make an 8-panel facade. What would we call that? The Roctagon or something? Making your facade have 6 panels or even 8 panels gives you the flexibility to configure your facade in any shape that you want. It also gives you the ability to set up for big stages that might have 2 DJs with 2 different turntables. All the DJ facade accessories that we offer are perfect for integrating into your existing setup to take your DJ performance to the next level. If you liked what you saw in this video, leave a like and a comment in the comment section below and let us know how you would use a 6-panel or 8-panel facade. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.